What's the meaning of all night? All night. All night. All night. All night. All night.
The term all night is used to describe an activity or event that lasts throughout the night, typically from dusk until dawn. This can refer to a variety of activities such as parties, concerts, study sessions, or work shifts. The implication is that participants will be awake and active for the entire duration of the night. The experience of an all-night event can vary depending on the individual and the nature of the activity, but it often involves a sense of intensity, immersion, and physical and mental fatigue.